Hi, I'm Gary with Villara. You know, my great-grandfather started this company with one promise: treat every home like it's our own. So I'm here to let you know right now is that perfect time of year to get both your AC and heater tuned up at the same time with Villara's 2-for-1 tune-up. We only have a short window of time to get these done, so don't miss out. Save time and money. Schedule your 2-for-1 AC and heater tune-up today at
Villara.com.